Hey there, so I am thawing out tomatoes today that I am going to can into a tomato sauce. So what I've been doing this year, because I haven't had a whole lot of tomatoes all at once, I've just been cleaning them up, popping them in freezer bags, putting them in the freezer, and now I'm getting them out and I'm going to go ahead and can them since I have a bunch all together. So in this sink here, you'll see I just have my freezer bags. Those are whole tomatoes. Well, some of them were big, so I cut them in half, cut off the bad spots. Put them in the freezer. I pulled them out, set them in there to start thawing. Those are still pretty frozen. Then I have this colander. This just happens to be cherry tomatoes because I was freezing my cherry tomatoes also. What I do is I run a little bit of hot water over them, which kind of thaws out that skin and it makes it easy, super easy to peel. Then, let me see if I can show you. When you thaw them, then you can just use your fingers and peel the skins right off. And then over here I have just a scrap bucket, and then I have a separate bowl for nice clean peels, and I'm going to go ahead and dehydrate those. And then the tomato, where is that tomato? The tomato will go right into the pot, and then when they're all done, I have a pot full of tomatoes ready for canning tomato sauce. Super easy. I hope that was helpful.